very common question on the Naplex, another percent strength question. A pharmacist mixes 200 milliliters of 20% dextrose with 100 milliliters of 5% dextrose. What is the final concentration in percent weight over volume? This question's asking basically what's a percent strength. See here, final dextrose concentration. That's the same thing as percent strength. So our goal is to find the number of grams in 100 milliliters. And what you enter in the final answer is just whatever this number is. So first thing I want to do is find out how much drug is in both 200 milliliters of the 20% dextrose and also how much drug is in this 100 milliliters of 5% dextrose. And I also want to find out how much drug in 100 milliliters of 5% dextrose. Okay, that's where I got those numbers from. So first what I'm going to find out is just this 200 milliliters of 20% dextrose. I'm going to try to find out how much drug is in there. So I'm going to use dimensional analysis. So 200 milliliters times it by 20% dextrose, which is the same thing as saying 20 grams over 100 milliliters, right? This entire thing is 20% dextrose, 20 grams over 100 milliliters. I know to put the milliliters in denominator because I want to cancel out with this here, right? So that equals 40 grams of drug, well, specifically dextrose, in this 200 milliliters of 20% dextrose. So now the second part, I want to find out how much drug is in 100 milliliters of 5% dextrose, right here, right? So I take 100 milliliters, times it by 5% dextrose, which is 5 grams of drug, divided by 100 milliliters of solution. These cancel out. That equals 5 grams. 5 grams of drug, or dextrose in this question, right? So now I'm gonna add these two amounts of drugs together because that's how much, because they combine them together. So 40 grams plus 5 grams, right? So that equals 45 grams total drug in this solution, right? And that's gonna be in a total volume of 200 milliliters right here plus 100 milliliters here, right? Because they combine the two volumes together, 200 milliliters plus 100 milliliters, right? So I'm going to have the amount of drug, which is 45 grams. We just calculated that. 45 grams total drug in the solution all over 300 milliliters, which is a total volume. That's 200 milliliters plus 100 milliliters. That equals 300 milliliters here. That's why I got this number, right? And so I need to put that in percent strength kind of formula, right? So that's number of drug in 100 milliliters, right? So I'm trying to find this number. This number is what the answer is. Well, you can cross multiply and then make this x if you wanted to, but I just divide this by 3. It's quicker, right? Because 300 divided by 3 is 100 milliliters, and then 45 grams divided by 3 equals your number. So your number should be 15 grams when you do the math, right? So your final answer in the computer, you just type in 15 because they want to be numeric and no units or commas. So 15 is my answer.